Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix the build of Vanguard required TPM version 2.0 in Windows, and the error you get on the screen is VAN9001. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix the error VAN9001, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you have to click on search bar, then type here local group policy. You can share edit group policy. Just click on this. I will maximize this screen. I will maximize this portion also. Guys, you can see here computer configuration. In this you will find administrative templates. Just double click on this. Below you will find Windows component. Just double click on this. Guys, in this you can see here you will find BitLocker drive encryption. Just double click on this. Guys, in right section you will find store BitLocker recovery information in Active Directory domain services. Just double click on this. After that this type of window will be open. You can see it is not configured. You have to check mark this as a enable. Guys, after enabling, just click on apply, then OK. Guys, after doing this settings, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the build of Vanguard required TPM version 2.0, and the error you get on the screen is VAN9001. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share.